works with advocates for abused children in Kentucky courts broke state laws.
The program, known as Court-Appointed Special Advocates, or CASA, the audit's findings here last December prompted the Kentucky CASA network to actually order the former CASA program for Carroll, Grant, and Owen counties to immediately stop services.
And WCPO 9 Chief Investigative Reporter Craig Cheatham reports that information was not shared with the public until now.
There is nothing left of the CASA program in Williamstown.
CASA was not doing what they were supposed to be doing.
Former CASA volunteer coordinator Jordan Johnson says she was stunned at the number of violations she saw during her month on the job.
It was as bad as it sounds.
Johnson says then Executive Director Julie Jernigan didn't address all the issues.
There's no checks and balances at all. And that's what the board needs to do.
So, Johnson says, last December 14th, she took her complaints to the CASA board. She says they weren't supportive, so the next day she resigned. On December 16th, District Judge Elizabeth Chandler told Kentucky CASA Network she had concerns about the local CASA program. She asked the state network to audit the program based in Williamstown. On December 20th, Kentucky CASA audited the local CASA program. A December 22nd letter from Kentucky CASA to local CASA Executive Director Julie Jernigan and the board identified numerous egregious violations of state laws and national CASA standards that included no evidence of all required background checks on adult volunteers. Some checks were done, but not until December 2021. That was after volunteers were active on children's cases. Case files didn't have records showing volunteers visited children or attended court, and there was no evidence volunteers completed required training.
These volunteers didn't really know what they were doing. You know, they were CASA volunteers, but they didn't know what was expected of them.
In the December 22nd letter, Kentucky CASA ordered the local program to immediately stop activities and services. In an email to the I-Team, Kentucky CASA Network Executive Director Andrea Bruns wrote, "There were no findings of activities that endangered children."
I do think that children were impacted by this. Some were impacted because they weren't helped.
Former local CASA board chair Jamie Baker declined the I-Team's request for an interview. Jernigan, an attorney, says she can't comment on CASA because she signed a non-disclosure agreement with the board. CASA cases in Grant, Owen, and Carroll counties are now handled by a larger regional program based in Covington. Johnson hopes the new program will give children in crisis the support they need. But when she sees the empty CASA office, it reminds her of a lost opportunity by a local program that failed to deliver. The photos of Julie Jernigan and Jamie Baker were courtesy of the Grant County News. Kentucky CASA Network says the local CASA board voted in January to dissolve their program. The state network declined our request for records relating to the local program, saying they aren't public agencies and are required to keep CASA records confidential. We are appealing that decision. State records show former local CASA Executive Director Julie Jernigan filed to run for family court judge. She declined to discuss her qualifications. Craig?